Here we are, just out the front of our place. We've had 200 mils of rain overnight, which means this river is definitely overflowing. So nobody's going to work this morning, which is good news for Tess. I don't know about Carnival tonight. We've just heard that there's streets in Port Douglas that are half a metre underwater, and they've had to set up emergency rescue points with the fire brigade and the emergency services. So yeah, it's pretty serious flooding. As you can see, the road has got that big wave going over it. There's the give way sign. And there's the road there, big good surfable wave going over the top of it. It's amazing, the volume of water. But it's not surprising because it's rained heavy all night. Nice one. Alright, it's fun going this way, but we're going to try and go back the other way. Yeah! Woohoo! Good times in the rainforest. A little bit of a surge. See ya!